This is a theremin. It's an electronic musical instrument and it's played by moving one's hands through the air. As you can see, one can control changes in pitch with the right hand and changes in volume with the left hand. Well, this is an electronic musical instrument, and to explain its function in exact technical terms, it can be described as an instrument based on the beat frequency oscillator. And a beat frequency oscillator is a combination of two oscillators wherein the frequency of one of the oscillators is fixed and then the frequency of the second oscillator is variable. Those two frequencies mix, and the resultant frequency is the audio frequency which we hear. The variable frequency oscillator is connected to the pitch antenna, and by moving one's hand, one varies that frequency. The greater the difference between the two oscillators, the higher the pitch, because the resultant audio frequency is, in a sense, the difference between the two frequencies, or the summation. This antenna is, in a sense, one part of a capacitor. Your hand is the other part of a capacitor, and by varying the distance between the two parts or plates of a capacitor, one changes the capacitance of the circuit. Because it's a high-frequency circuit, your body is seen as ground, and your hand is seen as a variable capacitor with respect to this. And so by changing the capacitance of the circuit, the resultant frequency of the variable frequency capacitor inside, the variable frequency oscillator inside changes, and that results in the resultant audio frequency that you hear.